It's kind of an interesting story, even though it's a arranged marriage. Because what happened is this last year, 2024, in June, my parents were in Germany, and I just came back from Germany after my sister delivered a baby. So my parents were still there for 3 months. I was there for 1 month. So I came here, and then suddenly I get a call from Ajit Anna. Ajit Anna told me, like, we know this girl personally, and she's a very is a very suitable person for you, and us knowing you personally, we know how you are, and she'll match perfectly with you.
So ours is a arranged marriage, so it was not like we have been meeting like since a lot of many years, but we met through my uncle. He suggested and recommended Akshay and said he's a very good boy, so you should not miss speaking to him, talk to him, let's see how it goes. So we've just met like good friends, and things went really well. We were quite comfortable talking to each other, and then it just clicked. So it was like something was planned already, and we just had to talk.
When we made eye contact itself, we had that kind of feeling like, okay, this is the kind of person, I'm getting the positive vibe from her. We had that one conversation, both of us, just me and her, and we spoke about a lot of things, like what our personal beliefs are, what our pasts are, and everything, like basically each and everything, very open. And like for a person that is unknown to you, to take it very sportively and not judge you at the same time. So that was something that I always looked out for in a partner that I would be being with.
If I have to describe him in 3 words, they would be: he's very grounded, caring, and jovial. There is a mix of excitement, there is some nervousness, and also lots of happiness for sure.
I'm very happy that my son is getting a life partner, and I need not worry about him. He'll be settled with her. And I couldn't find a better girl to be my second daughter.
Yes, it's a mixed bag of feelings because we are happy she's going into a good household and Akshay is a really good guy. But at the same time, we'll be missing her because she's our only daughter.
It's the attachment of 28 years. It is very hard to accept all these things, but still for her future and good well-beings, we have to accept all these things.
She is as good as she is pretty. And she's very soft-spoken, kind-hearted. And I never felt that whenever I saw her, for the first time when I saw her, I didn't feel like she was a stranger to me. I felt like my own child.
Priyam has been advised, I have advised her that she should leave all inhibitions. She has to just enjoy life. She is very much determined and she does her work well. She shoulders many responsibilities. But at the same time, she has to chill a bit because life is, after all, very short. So I've always advised her, whatever you do, enjoy it also.
It's a mixed feeling, frankly speaking. Today's day was kind of very much, I would say, I was nervous about it, and I also was stressed, and at the same time I was excited as well. yeah, I did not sleep even a single minute yesterday night.
So firstly, it feels like you're leaving your house. So all those things I try to see, ki, oh, tomorrow I can't see this, tomorrow this bed will be empty, this cupboard of mine will be half empty. So that feeling comes. Then whatever mom used to cook for me every day, that will always be in my memory.
I'm really excited. Like I'm really excited for the things like late night talks, early morning bike rides. We have planned for so much on that. Like I like bike rides, and Priyam is yet to explore on that. So we have decided on that. And then also late night movies watching, binge watching. She is a very like huge. She just loves movies. So I want to do that, and then obviously cook together. Basically, try to cook something that she loves and she enjoys. So that is something that I'm really looking forward to.
And then there is also some excitement that I'll have a best friend who I'll be there with him. So that new house, those new experiences, that is definitely going to be there. So kind of trying to keep it balanced now, not getting overwhelmed.
ओ साथी मेरे हाथों में तेरे हाथों की अब गिरहा दी ऐसे कि टूटे ये कभी न। ओ साथी मेरे हाथों में तेरे हाथों की अब गिरहा दी ऐसे कि टूटे ये कभी न। चलना कहीं सपनों के गाँव रे, छूटे ना फिर भी धरती से पाँव रे। आग और पानी से फिर लिख दे वो वादे सारे साथ ही में रोए हंसे संग धूप छाँव रे। आग और पानी से फिर लिख दे वो वादे सारे साथ ही में रोए हंसे संग धूप छाँव रे। ओ साथी मेरे हाथों में तेरे हाथों की अब गिरहा दी ऐसे कि टूटे ये कभी ना। बिखरे कभी तुमसे जो हम उधड़े कहीं, बुन लेना फिर से हर धागा। हम तो अधूरे यहाँ तुम भी मगर पूरे कहाँ, कर ले अधूरेपन को हम आधा। जो भी हमारा हो मीठा हो या खारा हो, आओ ना कर ले हम सब साझा। ओ साथी मेरे हाथों में तेरे हाथों की अब गिरहा दी ऐसे कि टूटे ये कभी ना।
So Akshay, my message for you is कि now that we are almost a team officially, let's be together, enjoy all the moments and face life like a super team. Looking forward to enjoying it with you.
Priyam, I know that it's very hard for you, the current situation, like leaving your family and everything behind and just moving towards a very new environment. I just want to say that whatever it is, whatever you are going through and whatever you will go through, I will really try to make everything easy for you, all the transition that you will go through, and whatever it is, I'll be there for you. I'll be your support system throughout. Yeah, I love you.